All right, guys. Well, here it is, the new used kayak. Somewhat rigged, somewhat not rigged. Just your old PA 12 180. It's a 19 model. We're gonna take it out to this little local lake. I got some stuff on me. Little local lake. It's high winds today. Fairly bluebird skies. So we're gonna go test the waters. Got it somewhat rigged up, but let me show you. I'm gonna keep this one real simple. I'm gonna, no graphs, maybe probably put a motor on it for river running, but I got a good deal on it. Somebody put some, strapped everything down too tight. It's not in the greatest shape. As you can see back here, somebody did some custom mods and poked a bunch of holes in there, so we'll have to fix that, but not a big deal. Probably gonna run different black pack that I've already got modded out, but we're gonna run the old T-stack. I need to get a bucket, but I've got everything zip tied and put some new foam, some old foam in there. Put some braces on here for the time being until I can get some Ryan Murphy designs, which are 3D molded to go down into this little concave part down here, which are really nice. Other than that, you know, I'm going to keep it real simple. Probably just an anchor wizard up front. It's just going to be a beater, man. So we're going to go test it out, see if we can catch a couple fish on this little lake. See if they're biting. Let's do it. All right. Well, I don't know if this is a good idea or a great idea, but it's super windy out here. Super windy. We gonna find out. Ow, ow, ow. Should have backed up a little bit more. Steering is really tight. How are you guys? With me? Maybe it'll loosen up, I'm not sure. Something feels a little too tight. Oh yeah. Let's do this before y'all start screaming at me. There we go. Yanked his ass. All right. Cool. Beautiful little cold fish. Cold. This water must be really cold. I don't have a depth finder, so I have no way of telling. I might have a little. Ah, yes. Thank you, sir. Christened. It has been christened. Got that on that little turbo fatties. Dobbins 743, no, 744 Extreme. Alright, that's a little clue. I figured there'd be one kind of right here where it's starting to get kind of sunny. Wind's blowing a little bit more right in here. He just came up and grabbed that sucker. See if there's one holding in here. All this stuff is going to hold heat, so right now, the past couple of days, the way it's been, I have a feeling they might be back there, pushed up a little bit more shallow, getting some sun. Water's most definitely, it's only about a foot back there, so it's most definitely going to be a lot warmer on this little lake in that little area over there. It's a little spawning bay too. But I don't know the water temperature, so I know that fish was cold. I feel like they're going to be on the other side though, seeing how that's been getting the sun all morning, and there's a little bit more stuff going on over there. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, all right. Feeding up. That sucker has a tail down its throat. Little bluegill or something like that. Can y'all see that? Right there on the top. Pretty fish. All right, man. Look at that. Still hungry. All right. Cool beans. Oh. Let's grab a... What have I done here? Just got this all twisted up here. Let's grab a selfie. That's probably a 19. It's an old fish. Look at that. See that tail down his throat? See ya. All right, so that came on that turbo fatties, mag fatties, whatever it is. Right then, what I did is I changed up. I put a little chartreuse on each side of it and a little orange on the belly, and finally hooked up with that one. So I think it made a difference. It looks like it's already worn off, but sit here and talk for a second about this small little lake. Actually, come here 3 months, there will be lily pads all back here, and this little lake fills up with so much grass, it's ridiculous. You can't fish it with much of nothing besides, you know, pitching and flipping, weightless stuff. I have used a what is it called, a weight bait through here on windy days, but over on the sides it gets so matted up. All this will be mat all through the middle of the lake, and it just gets thick. Great place to practice. Right now I don't think I've fished it in, I think I fished it once last summer, maybe twice. So I think there's a little pocket of fish right here. So I'm going to take a little breather, and then we're going to get back on it. And the boat's doing great. I like this little 12-footer. I wish I had a 12-footer and a 360, because I keep wanting to grab the 360 to compensate for the wind. That's the only bad part about a 180 boat. Other than that, though, I'm digging not having much of nothing on here. The simplicity, you know, I've got the big rig, the Hobie PA14 360 with all the gear on it. It's a big water boat. It's fun. I just kind of wanted to take a step back and get back to trying to figure some stuff out without, you know, all the grass. And I haven't had the live scope for very long, but you know, it's fun to watch bass behavior. I know there's a lot of people that are very, for the most part, against it, and then there's a lot of people that are for it. I'm either or, you know. If it's allowed in tournaments, I'm all for it. If it's not, I don't care. I'll fish without it. I was catching fish before, I'll catch fish after. To me, it's a tool. And plus, you know, I just want to play with all the toys. Who doesn't, right? I want to get something to eat. Be right back. I'm going to catch another bass. Oh, I broke off. Oh, I knew I should have retied. God bless it. I don't have another mag fatty either. Oh, that felt like a good fish. Boy, oh boy, oh. GoPro, stop recording. Giant. Jesus. Jesus. God. I don't have a net. God bless. Y'all. Woo, boy. That's a daggum. Oh, that almost came right out too. See if I'm getting that in frame here. Look at that. Y'all. Good fish. Man, oh man. Fat. I was hoping he would have that that turbo fatty in his mouth. Woo, baby. I didn't even bring my board. That's probably a 21 right there, easy. Biggin. Biggin. Golly, I didn't even bring my board. Yes. That one came on a Big Bites Baits little vibe tail that I got going on here. That one right there. I thought I threw some just regular green pumpkins that I had from that tournament, and it's just got, I put a little chartreuse on the side and a little on the tail. Smashed it, dude. Yeah, I was just fixing to move too. Good thing I did not do that, right? Alright, guys. Appreciate you watching. Thanks for staring at the back of my head today. The wind's really starting to pick up, so I'm back at the little boat ramp. So beautiful little lake. I'll bring you guys back out here when it's all the green comes up and all the grass. It'll be a real fun time, and this is a really beautiful place in the fall too. All the trees around here change color, so I'll bring you back out. We'll have a good time. We'll catch some more fish. Today was awesome. Thanks for watching. Love the new boat, new used boat, used new used. Did great. We'll get back and figure out what's going on with this rudder. I might have jammed something up when I was putting the foam back in, but either way, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, do all that stuff if you want. Whatever, man. Y'all take care.